Good morning. It's a Saturday. It is already autumn. It's October 21. Oh my god, it's like 2 months na lang para maging Christmas. So I have a client today, hair client, and yeah, I'm gonna try vlogging, hopefully. Diba? Wow.
Wiga-wiga.
Hey, I'm done with today's client. Isa lang ang aking client today. And yeah, okay na din para hindi ako masyadong pagod. Kasi it's the allergy season. It's already a little cold sa gabi. It's like mga nasa 15 degrees. Yeah, but this week daw, sabi sa forecast, it's gonna be like yung pinaka-lowest is 8 degrees, diba? So, and like mga 2 weeks ago, nag-start na yung aking allergies. Kaya for 2 weeks straight na, I'm having a very, very bad headache already. So, I'm also thankful na din na isa lang aking client today para hindi ako masyadong mapagod. Yeah, and hopefully, kung makapunta na ako ng doktor, since I don't have time yet to go to the doctor, because life is busy, tapos Sunday walang doctor, Saturday lang, tsaka weekday, so wala akong time. Maybe next Saturday, hindi din pwede, may pasok kami sa work next Saturday, so I don't know when. So we were watching like Extraction. This is our third movie. Yeah. I'm gonna eat now. Hanapin ko si Rookie. It is 3 p.m. in the afternoon kami natapos. Medyo mahaba yung hair niya. I think you saw it from my clips. Ayan. Rookie.
Hi, Shui.
Nakaog. Rookie is
Wala.
like entering a competition game.
Yeah, but
What?
naibatwa ka nang nara
He
sa
wasn't qualified. Top 10. Oh.
Susiyosi.
Dapat top 3 for you to
Top
be
5.
top
Ay,
5.
top 3 dapat pa makasud ka.
Oh, ganun. Okay. Zanen ne.
Zanen.
Matakondo.
Matakondo da ne.
Ne, gambat eh.
Gambar
1 million di siyo.
Sigaw yun.
1
Gunin,
million
biso
ba dahil
gunin.
jubo na mainichi. Mag-play ka ng game. Okay lang basta may 1
Nani?
million.
You corrupting me.
Yes, of course. Everything needs money. It's all about the
Soka.
money.
All about money, money, money.
Yeah. Bye. I'm gonna eat now. You can't see me. Let's turn on the lights so that you can see me. So I don't know what he bought me. Sabi niya may rice. What kind? I'm kind of intrigued. Ooh, looks delicious. Wanna see? So here's the food that Turkey got me. I really like this type, like donburi type, yung may rice dito sa ilalim tapos yung meat dito sa taas. Like sa mga not sugakiya, sukiya, yan, yung mga ganyan na This is, I don't know, beef or pork. Definitely pork. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm just gonna heat this up. It says like 500 watts, 3 minutes. Oh, ang tagal. Wow, but yung Renji namin, Renji is microwave pala. FYI, yung Renji, ang tawag ng microwave dito sa Japan is Renji. So, 500 watts, 3, ang tagal naman. So, this is an ososume, highly recommended food. Saan ba to galing? I don't know kung saan to binili ni Rookie. Family Mart to, sweet? 7-Eleven pala, oh. Highly recommended from 7-Eleven. So, I'm just gonna heat this up. And pala, 7-Eleven. Rice bowl with pork. Yeah, pork. I knew it. This doesn't look like beef. Yun kasi yung problema, guys. Pag hindi ka marunong magbasa ng kanji, then you never know. So, this is like 580 with tax, 626. Not bad. Yeah. Tama lang din. Kasi ang laki naman niya, compared to my hand. Diba? Malaki siya. So, I'm just gonna heat this up and I'm gonna eat. This is the aftermath ng aking kalat. I'm just gonna quickly vacuum this. I'm gonna make while waiting for my foodie, I'm gonna boil some water for my coffee. Kasi hindi pa talaga ako properly naka-drink ng coffee. I had like a sip of like my eto. I don't know if you're interested, but if you are in Japan, maybe you wanted to try this one. This coffee from Boss Craft, the Italiano. Hindi siya matamis. Yeah, hindi talaga siya matamis. And I really like it because I don't like something very sweet on my coffee. I just wanted to taste yung coffee. So I'm gonna boil some water. Okay. So now for the coffee na aking iinumin, like yung mainit ba kasi malamig na, as you can see, naka-sweater weather na tayo. So I'm gonna be drinking this one from daughter. All-time favorite na instant coffee from daughter. Yeah. Very popular dito yung UCC, but I like this one better because it's not what's that called? Hindi siya
But it's not
as
better.
very yung maasim sa tiyan ba? Yeah, it's not very acidic. It's bitter. Here's my mug. Here's my coffee. I just, like do this. I don't know if this is too much, you guys, but this is the amount of like that. Oh my god, hopefully this will not, spill. Amount of coffee I'm gonna put in my mug. And then I'm gonna just your powdered creamer. I like this better kasi I want my coffee to be really very hot. If I'm gonna add like, yung mga liquid na it's not gonna be hot because it's gonna add like liquid to the coffee. So just a regular creamer. 2 tablespoons of that. It's boiling. Di naman at least kuha na siya kanang di naman kuan for travel, so it's fine. Katumang good kay kuan man good siya kung mag-travel. It's very hot. Na-toasted siya. Something like paig. Ano bang Tagalog ng paig? Napagod pala kasi pag guys, FYI. Ay, hindi napagod. Bisaya din yung napagod. Nasunog. Kasi yung Bisaya ng nasunog is napagod pod. Pero meron ding, I don't know if this is just a Cebu Bisaya thing. Napaig. Napaig. Then it's the same with napagod. So yeah, napagod gamay yung wall sides ng aking ulam. I'm gonna eat now kasi it is like almost 4. This is my first meal. I did not have but although I ate like yung yung pie dito nila, yung parang utap dito nila kanina. So this is gonna be my lunch and my breakfast and my dinner. So can come. Huh? Ano yan? I don't know what to watch. Maybe I don't know kung anong gustong watch ni Rookie, pero I wanted to watch yung Hunger Games na to. Ayan na sa Netflix, Hunger Game 2. Ayaw niya nun, pero gusto ko yun eh. So, I don't know. Let's see. I'm just gonna eat because I'm not very, very hungry really. Pero, gusto ko lang mag-eat kasi masarap yung food. It's so hot. So, I don't know kung enough tong ulam ko kasi parang ang daming rice. And then, yung ulam is like that. Kainin ko daw to, sabi ni Rocky. Oh my God, this is so long. Bikorista. Mga isang dangkal yung American, hindi to American dog. Ano to? Ano siya tawag to, Dani? Dari? Jumbo Frank. Kasi ang daming guys. You need to see this guys. Akala ko marami yung rice. Naka-lift pala to sa ilalim, can see that. Tapos nung pag-ganyan ko ng aking fork, and then you can see the the bottom of it. Oh my God. Ako dun It's a prank. Akala ko marami rice kasi medyo mabigat din yung yung eto. But konti lang pala yung rice. Sarap. Oh, I could hear my labada already finishing. Let's try this. Sarap ng baboy. Gusto ko ng baboy. Ah, ano? Delicioso.
Ako anday ni. Bisa.
Now, we are gonna wash our towels that we use today. So, ito yung ginagawa ko sa aking mga towels para no bacteria. Clean, clean. It's the detergent that we are using. Pero hindi yung pink yung ginagamit namin yun. Because this is like so rosy smelling yung violet. Pero ito lang yung lalagyan na ginagamit ko. Because I buy the refill one kasi mas tipid yun. And then for the towel, I always use OxyClean, yung orange. Orange. Hindi naman yan orange. Yellow na cap kasi this is for like ano talaga, for sa mga puti or sa mga towel para super clean talaga. And then I just put it sa water like this, but yung instruction niya is to put water first sa washing machine, then ilagay mo to para matunaw. But since I don't have time for that, I'm just gonna tunaw it tunaw it using this. Yeah, ayan. If you want your towels to really smell very clean and fresh, try nyo lagyan ng OxyClean, guys. Especially yung ito. Preferably yung yellow na cup. It's 5 p.m. already, and we are just going to go to buy fish kasi at this time may mga murang fish na doon sa market na pupuntahan namin. So yeah, let's go. It is still 5, just turned 5, but looking really dark already. Yeah, look at the sky. Oh, look at that. Is it gonna rain? But it's so dark. Oh, it's so cold, Samoy. How many degrees right now?
What? So cold somewhere?
Yeah, Samoy hierarchy.
What?
It's so cold. I think this sweater is not enough. So we are heading to buy fishy. Fishy yung nakakain na fishy. It's really dark, guys. Tingnan nyo naman. So I'm not very excited for the winter, obviously. But let's hope for the best.
Lagi ko kita sa mirror, guys.
Listening to Kenny and Lionel and Richie.
Hindi na ni.
Oh.
Lang.
Bro, it stopped moving, bro. Ano raw? Kawawa. This is a torture. You know? Bro, lain kay sila, bro. Oh, yan oh, nag-move. So big, this one. The entire basket. Go to the pork. Oh.
But
Is it
okay,
ano? It's fine. Pero maganda yung block. This one. Ay, marabunod kayo. Yeah.
Delete yan. I don't know sa L.
Walang baboy doon. My God, my hair is like crazy now. I'm gonna buy my favorite, yung mochi-mochi. I cannot cross here. Someone is like let's go over there. Oh, not this one. Yung may I don't know if they still have that. Oh. Toasted, 108.
Ni mahal.
But it's already toasted.
No, but it's mahal. Balik ko sila yung mitos.
No, it was a different one, like, wala na. Yeah, we are gonna get that one. Only 328, but this one is lami. This is the current fave.
Dili lang hindi.
This one, only 138. I haven't tried this. Almond milk, salty milk. Oh my God, it's gonna go with the fish? I don't know. Ooh, it's night now. We're done from buying fishy. There, yeah, wala. Oh, it's fine. Gonna check the side of the car. Because Rookie said that, I don't know. I don't want to say it. It's dark. You can see me. We're going home. Dark na, pero wala pang 6 o'clock. Oh, it's 7. Not 7. 5:56. We're going home. You cannot see me. So I'm gonna wear my seatbelt and see you there. Oh, it's so blurry. So this is what happened when may construction dito sa daan. You will see this sign para to give way, kung sino yung mauna, from there sila muna yung dadaan, and then now it is no, it's still X, you cannot or go na. Yan, pag naka blue na, then we are pwede na kaming mag-pass. Sorry guys, but it's so dark. It's still 6, but it's already very dark because it's autumn. Ayan, so dyan na side naman is stop na sila, so diba walang traffic kasi may and you don't need a traffic enforcer para, oh my God, this is so eerie here, baka biglang may lumabas. Oh my God, but one time meron talagang nag-jogging dito, we passed by here mga around 11 a.m. PM. Oh my God, then there was somebody jogging dito, diba? See how dark it is. Yun lang, share ko lang. Bye. I'm here at the drugstore. Yeah, so we decided na, ang ingay naman yan, we decided that we just go here. I need some hairspray. So I ran out of hairspray, but I don't know what to buy. Am I gonna buy this one? I usually get this VO5, but it's on sale. Usually this is 600. It's 598, but the Kipu is 300. I don't need a lot because I don't spray my hair a lot. But they also have this. So, I don't know. I also wanted a volumizing. Ang ingay. Let's see what I'm gonna pick. This, or this, or this. This. So I'm just gonna get this one. This is super hard. This is very cheap. Only 248 yen. Yeah, I just need something to hold a little my curl. Yeah, tempted to get that one, but I don't know if that works because I tried other like this before, and this it did not even hold my curl that long. So yeah, I'm just gonna try this from Fitty. Fitty. Yeah, I think this is a generic brand. Only 248 though. Let's try. I just want to share to you all, guys, if you are looking for an argan oil, this is definitely a highly recommended one. Yeah, my children's been using this for a very since 2016, since I discovered this one. I guess they've used the smooth, I don't know, this one or the blue free scare, I don't know, they named it differently now, but before they name it like smooth treatment, but I think they got the blue and the pink. Yeah, like this one is a moist. This one, yeah, this one repair, and then the frizzy, anti-frizziness, and it's very cheap, only 1,000. Unlike from the others, you can see that from L'Oreal it's 2,000, but this one is only 1,000. But it's not greasy to the hair. It really penetrates into your hair like amazing. So try it. We're home now, doing some grocery for the week. I just decided para bukas konti na lang yung bibili namin. Go to kaniluwi na, no? Para damay na lang, diba? Oh, our current favorite, this one, diba? I showed this there. Like, diba? I showed this kanina, yung ginagamit namin na laundry detergent. So, eto yun, yung green, kasi mas gusto ko yung smell niya. And I got this, yung pinakamalaki, yung may 85 pods. Yan. Kasi mas nakakamura pag eto talaga yung bibilhin mo. Compared to like the small packs. Try nyo to, guys. It smells so good. You will like be like rookie.
What?
Yeah, try nyo to. Maganda siya. Tipid pa. For the soap, I really been enjoying using this one as my facial soap as well. Kasi ang mild niya, tapos so moisturizing. And I've noticed na hindi ako nagkaka-pimples while using this one, diba? And it doesn't make my skin dry. Yeah, it's weird. This is very affordable. 498. And yeah, itong buong malaki. I don't know, I forgot ilan yung laman, but I think yan, 6 pala. So, pero hindi siya nakaka-dry ng skin talaga. Promise. Back to using this Flare one. Yung parang downy fabric conditioner. Yan, tawag nito. This is my favorite. Ang bango-bango. Because I could not find the aroma rich. Wala doon. So, yung iba malaki and mahal. Ito is 178 lang sa Vidrak. Oo, mabango talaga siya, Rookie. Mas lalong na in love si Rookie sa akin pag if I'm gonna wear something na merong ganito. But honestly, ano lang, ginagamit ko lang yung fabric softener sa uniform ko sa work kasi buong linggo namin gagamitin yon. And for the rest of the clothes, hindi na kasi nga eto yung ginagamit namin. Mabango na siya. And I cannot also use too much fabric conditioner or fragrance kasi nakaka-trigger siya ng aking allergies more. Hindi na ako makahinga. So, I stopped like using a lot of this. And favorite, of course, yung KitKat na orange. Diba? Orange tsaka chocolate. The perfect combo. Kung hindi nyo pa na-try to, try nyo. Masarap siya. And then, ito naman yung kay Rookie na KitKat. It has 72% cacao. Mapait. Kasing pait ng mga taong nasa ewan. Sorry. Pero bitter siya. Pero yung kumakain, hindi naman bitter. Hindi tayo siya pwede sa mga bitter, sa mga sweet lang. Masarap siya. So, if you wanted to eat, indulge in a chocolate, but you don't want to like, you know, the guilt ba of eating chocolate, better switch to something na that has high cacao percentage, like this one, at least 72%. So, KitKat has one. So, ito yung fave ni Rookie. Gusto ko din to. Bagong sparkling water from Suntory. Oh, ngayon ko lang to nakita sa Vidrug. Yeah. Been drinking a lot of sparkling water. It's good for your body. So, instead of drinking soda, if you want the, you know, the carbonated feeling when you drink soda, better switch to like sparkling water because it's healthier. Soda is not really good for the body. And yeah, this one. This one tree. Check if my cat, I have a new cat. I don't know if he's there. It's an orange cat. But nandun siya sa baba eh. Meow meow? No, he's not here. But I'm gonna put some foodie sa kanya kasi walang foodie dito. Baka pupunta siya dito. Ang laman yung foodie na, baka nagpunta siya dito. But I remember na hindi ko talaga pa binutangan. Ano sa binutangan ay nilagyan to? When Bisaya meets Tagalog, yun yung nangyayari. So new to this, I don't know if this is new from Meiji, but yung salty milk na almond, salty milk. Kinda interesting, kaya salty milk. So, excited akong matry nito. Usually, I get the more bittery ones kasi, although I'm not bitter, but gusto ko yung bitter. So, matry naman natin yung salty, no? Hindi na lang laging bitter, di ba? Currently been enjoying the Sana like white line. So, this is from Sana. And this is their niacinamide line which also has retinol. Pero may niacinamide compare sa isang ano. So, I don't know if nakatry na ba ako. No, that other one yung natry ko na to na hindi ko nagustuhan. So, yeah. Try natin kung magiging this catered for like anti-aging, you know. For adult. Oto na no. Shiwa, shime. Yan. Yun lang yung alam ko dyan. Yan. Okay. So, since my phone is, I think, masyadong puno na. I'm just gonna transfer yung footage sa today's. Medyo marami-rami. Yeah, I think dito. Para at least, naman siya, medyo, kasi, nagsuslow down yung, yung pag, ng cellphone ko pag masyadong marami na. Although, yung mga clips naman is not that long, pero, marami na. So, I think up to here. Yan. I think may mga footage na hindi doon. So, yeah. Let's transfer this. I'm just gonna... So that we'll be finishing watching that movie, but I just need to transfer this. Ayan. So, I think parang mabilis lang to. Hopefully. So, while my video is transferring and rendering, I'm just gonna eat this dragon fruit. Yeah. Masarap yung dragon fruit. Kahit mahal, from time to time, kumakain kami. Sorry for the noise at the background, guys. Pero, this is like 298 dito sa Japan. Yan. Yung isang ganito. Ng isang buong dragon fruit. Pero sa Pilipinas, pag season siya, the last time that we went sa Philippines, yung binili ng ng brother ko is yung 1 kilo, 200 pesos lang. Tapos may 4 na. So, yeah. Pero dito, since hindi naman to dito talaga na fruit, galing, hindi siya lumalaki dito sa Japan. So, medyo mahal, pero masarap kasi siya. Kaya, maybe, once in a while, we enjoy ourselves eating dragon fruit. And then, if hindi ka nakakapupo, very, very good siya para makapupo siya. Kung nahihirapan kang mapup, this is so TMI, we're eating, but I'm gonna share this to you. If you are struggling to poop, grabe. This will really help you poop. Sarap. Masarap din yung pink yung laman. Ito yung white yung niya, yung laman niya. So, I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna, retire. Not really tired. It is already 8 p.m. and I want to wash my face, change into more comfy clothes, like in a pajama, para makapag-relax na din. And we will be continuing to watch that movie that we've been watching before we left. So, yeah, I hope you had a wonderful day and a great day as always, guys. And thank you always for tuning in, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And hopefully I will see you all on my next video. Good night.